just like a nightmare for me, man. So we couldn't get the towing thing going, and we called Bermuda Harbor Radio and said we're gonna just stay put right here, and they've been trying to locate a vessel to come and tow Cha-Cha into the harbor. They did contact a very, very large sailing vessel that is sailing towards our location right now. Boat's name is Titan 10 or Titan 14. Titan 14 called Cha-Cha on the radio. They talked about the towing procedure, and Titan 14 said that they had set up a bridle, and then Titan 14 did what I did not do when I first met these guys. They said, because of the nature of the type of boat that we are, there is some possibility that the lines may cause chafe and damage, cause damage to teak or whatever. And they said, will you be willing to pay for any damages done to our vessel as we tow you in? The Cha-Cha replied that he had no money and that he couldn't pay anybody anything. And so then Titan 14 said, well, do you still want us to tow you then? and Cha-Cha said, look, I don't know what to say. I don't have any money, and I can't pay for anything, and I have no engine, no steerage, no sails. And they said, they asked him to stand by, and we have been standing by now for the past 15 minutes. Yeah, I also heard Cha-Cha then a few minutes ago called Bermuda Harbor Radio on Channel 16, and he got no response, which was...
Cha-Cha, 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 this is Titan 14, over.
Titan 14, this is Cha-Cha.
Do you have a visual on our server?
Yes, you're off our starboard beam.
Okay, of the two vessels out here, which one are you? Are you the one furthest to the south, over?
I believe we're furthest to the south. We're the big white one, we're the wheelhouse.
Okay, roger, just stand by.
Break. This is Paragon. I am the vessel furthest to the south. Over.
Have you moved, Paragon?
Cha-Cha is to my north. So I'm the one that's furthest to the south.
Titan 14 is the Cha-Cha, that is correct. Cha-Cha is to the north.
This guy just doesn't have a clue.
Cha-Cha, are you the vessel with two wind generators on the aft of the boat, over?
No, Cha-Cha has one defunct generator on the back. It has a blue radar on the back, and it has a yellow courtesy Q flag in the rigging.
Okay, thank you.
Station calling Bermuda Radio on channel 16. Can you switch to 27, please?
Titan 14, this is Paragon on 16.
Paragon, this is Titan 14.
Hi, I have towed Cha-Cha the past 150 miles since encountering them north of Bermuda with no engine or steering or sails. I've gotten them this far. I had a bridle set up, but their steerage, I think, is sending them to starboard. And at times they were just way to my starboard side, and they weren't able to do anything about that. Over.
Okay, Roger. I did speak to the captain and asked him whether it's possible to land his runner amidship. I don't think he's able to do that. Is that correct?
I think he's applied a repair to his emergency rudder, but he's not sure if it will hold, and I think he's reluctant to use it. Over.
Roger. Okay. Stand by on 16, please.
Paragon standing by 16. Here it comes.